Imagine sipping an ice-cold soda, the satisfying crunch of soft, chewable nugget ice enhancing every gulp. Or picture hosting a summer barbecue where your guests rave about the perfect ice in their cocktails. This Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker countertop promises to transform these moments into reality, delivering 38 pounds of delectable nugget ice daily right in your kitchen. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive into why this sleek, stainless steel machine is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have for your home. Whether you're a busy parent, a party host, or a cocktail connoisseur, this portable ice maker is designed to elevate your drink game. Let's break down why the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker is stealing the spotlight and how it can solve your ice-related woes. Why nugget ice? The secret to better drinks. Nugget ice, often called pellet or pebble ice, is the gold standard for drink enthusiasts. Unlike traditional cube or bullet ice, nugget ice is soft, chewable, and absorbs flavors, making every sip a sensory delight. It's the type of ice you'd find at your favorite cafe or fast food joint, perfect for sodas, cocktails, and even smoothies. The Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker delivers this coveted ice type right to your countertop, eliminating the need for frequent store runs or dealing with clunky ice trays. With its 38 pounds per day production capacity, this machine ensures you're never short on ice, even during the liveliest gatherings. Solving common ice-making problems. No more ice shortages. Running out of ice mid-party? The Jinjunye produces up to 38 pounds of nugget ice in 24 hours, keeping your drinks chilled no matter the crowd size, hassle-free maintenance. Forget scrubbing or complicated cleaning routines. The self-cleaning function takes care of impurities in just 5 minutes. Space constraints. Bulky appliances cramping your style? Its compact 8.66x 11.6x 13-inch design fits seamlessly on any countertop. Inconvenient operation. No tech degree needed. Simply add water, press the on/off button, and let the intelligent sensors handle the rest. Melted ice woes. The stainless steel housing slows ice melting, ensuring your ice stays fresh longer. Key features of the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker. The Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker isn't just about producing ice. It's about delivering convenience, efficiency, and style. Here's a closer look at its standout features. High ice output. Produces 38 pounds of nugget ice daily, with a 1.8-pound ice basket capacity, perfect for family gatherings or small parties. Large water tank. The 1.5L water tank minimizes refills, letting you focus on enjoying your event rather than babysitting the machine. Self-cleaning technology. A 5-minute cleaning cycle removes impurities, ensuring every batch of ice is fresh and safe. Intelligent sensors. Infrared technology stops the machine when the ice basket is full or water is low, preventing overflows and dry runs. Compact and portable. Measuring just 8.66 by 11.6 by 13 inches, it's easy to store or move, ideal for home kitchens, offices, or even RVs. Stainless steel build. Durable, food-grade materials ensure safety, while the sleek design adds a modern touch to your space. User-friendly operation. One-button start and clear indicator lights make it accessible for all ages. Benefits that make a difference. Why choose the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker over other countertop models? Here are the top benefits that set it apart. Enhanced drink experience. Nugget ice's soft, chewable texture elevates beverages, from iced coffee to margaritas, offering a cafe-quality experience at home at time-saving convenience. With fast ice production and self-cleaning, you spend less time prepping and more time enjoying. Versatile and portable. Its compact size and portability make it ideal for kitchens, home bars, camping trips, or office break rooms. Who is this ice maker perfect for? The Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker is designed for anyone who values convenience and quality in their beverages. It's ideal for home entertainers, hosting barbecues, game nights, or holiday parties. This machine keeps the ice flowing for your guests' drinks. Families. Kids and adults alike love the chewable texture of nugget ice, perfect for everyday hydration or special treats. Cocktail aficionados. Elevate your mixology with ice that enhances flavor and presentation. Small business owners. Cafe owners or office managers can keep customers and employees happy with a steady ice supply. Outdoor enthusiasts. Its portability makes it a great companion for camping, RV trips, or picnics. Real world performance. What to expect? In testing, the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker impressed with its speed and reliability. The first batch of ice takes slightly longer, as noted by the manufacturer, but once it's up and running, it churns out ice consistently. The nugget ice is perfectly sized, small enough to chew comfortably but substantial enough to chill drinks effectively. The stainless steel housing not only looks sleek but also keeps ice colder for longer compared to plastic models. Users will appreciate the whisper-quiet operation, which is quieter than a standard refrigerator, making it ideal for open-plan kitchens or offices. The self-cleaning function is a standout, requiring just a press of a button to maintain hygiene without manual scrubbing. The intelligent sensors are a lifesaver, alerting you to low water or a full basket, so you're never caught off guard. While the machine performs best with water temperatures between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 44 degrees Fahrenheit, this is a minor consideration given its overall ease of use. Pros and cons of the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. Pros: high ice output. Produces 38 pounds of nugget ice daily, ideal for family gatherings or parties. Chewable nugget ice. Soft, pellet-style ice enhances drinks, perfect for sodas, cocktails, and smoothies. Self-cleaning function. 5-minute cleaning cycle removes impurities, ensuring fresh, hygienic ice. Intelligent sensors. Automatically stops when the ice basket is full or water is low, preventing issues. Compact and portable. 8.66 x 11.6 x 13-inch design fits any countertop and is great for home, office, or travel. Stainless steel build. Durable, food-grade material slows ice melting and is easy to clean. User-friendly. Simple one-button operation with clear indicator lights for easy use. Cons: initial batch delay. First ice batch takes longer, requiring planning for immediate needs. Water. Temperature sensitivity. Optimal performance requires water between 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 44 degrees F. Limited basket capacity. 1.8-pound ice basket may need frequent emptying during large events. Potential drawbacks to consider. No product is perfect, and the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker has a couple of quirks. Initial batch time. The first cycle takes longer, which might require some planning for immediate ice needs. Water temperature sensitivity. For optimal performance, water should be within the recommended temperature range. Basket size. The 1.8-pound ice basket may require frequent emptying during large gatherings. These minor issues are easily outweighed by the machine's efficiency, portability, and ice quality, making it a top contender in the countertop ice maker market. Why choose Jinjunye? In a crowded market of ice makers, the Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker stands out for its blend of performance, style, and user-friendliness. Its ability to produce chewable, café-style nugget ice sets it apart from bullet or cube ice makers. The compact design and stainless steel finish make it a chic addition to any kitchen, while the self-cleaning feature and intelligent sensors ensure hassle-free operation. Whether you're cooling drinks for a crowd or treating yourself to a refreshing iced coffee, this machine delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Final verdict: is it worth it? The Jinjunye Nugget Ice Maker Countertop is a must-have for anyone who loves the crunch of nugget ice and values convenience. Its high output, self-cleaning feature, and portable design make it a versatile addition to any home, office, or outdoor adventure. While the initial batch time and basket size might require minor adjustments, the overall performance and ice quality are unmatched. Ready to elevate your drinks and impress your guests? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the ultimate nugget ice experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.